Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth session of Common Spelling Mistakes. This course is being presented to you by me, Shilpa Jha. Please rate, review, subscribe and recommend the course. Also, please leave your valuable suggestions and comments below. Let's start with embarrass. Embarrass is a very common spelling that people make mistakes in. Even I have made a lot of a lot of times I made this mistake of writing embarrass incorrectly. So the thing is, embarrass has a double R and a double S, so it is EMBARRASS, embarrass, right? It's not ARA, so that's wrong. EMBARRASS. Okay, next is equipment. Equipment does not have any T in it, so the simple spelling is EQUIPMENT, equipment. Alright, there's no T over here. Okay, next, moving on, we have exceed. Exceed is when something goes beyond limits. So I don't know why would you put EXC. When I say exceed, it's very clear that there is a double E. So EXCEDE is wrong. It is EXCEED. Right, next is exhilarate. So exhilarate means to make someone very happy or animated or elated, right? Like she was very exhilarated by the day's event, so very thrilled or excited or intoxicated. So when I say exhilarated, I think it's the H is silent, which is why we end up writing EXILE. That's wrong. Exhilarated will be EXHIL ARATE, exhilarate, right? This is the correct spelling. Next is existence. Existence means our existence on earth, our presence, our being there, right? So existence, the correct spelling would be EXISTENCE, not ANCE. Existence. This is a very common mistake that most of us make. So replacing E and replacing A by E or E by A, whichever way. So here the correct spelling would have E and not A. Next is experience. Experience would be, so experience is EXPERIENCE, right? It's not ANCE. ANCE is wrong. It will be EXPERIENCE. Next we move on to extreme. Now again, when we say extreme, I think some people misinterpret it as double EM, EXTREEM, which is not right. The correct spelling is EXTREME, right? Okay. Next is fascinating. Now when I say fascinating, I think fascinating is something that you get enthralled by, or something that's really amazing. That's fascinating, something you would want to have, or like a dream, fantasy, something like that. So fascinating is something like that. So the spelling is FASCINATING. That is fascinating. You cannot write FACINATING. There is an S over here, additional S, so the spelling is wrong. Next is fiery. Fiery, if it's fiery, you don't have to add a Y against fire. That is wrong. Though fire is FIRE, this will be an incorrect spelling. So the correct spelling will be FIERY. So the correct spelling of fiery is FIERY, right? When you need to fiery, it would be FIERY. Moving on, the next word is fluorescent. Fluorescent. So fluorescent is basically very vividly colorful, and if you see like neon colors and all, they are basically referred to as fluorescent colors. There's also phenomena of fluorescence which is there in tube lights. You have those fluorescent tube lights and all that, right? So when you see the spelling, the correct spelling is FLUO. Here people can misplace OU and UO. So though we say fluorescent, the word U comes before O. So the correct spelling would be FLUORESCENT. Okay. Next we have foreign. Foreign is something that does not belong to your native country, right? So here when we see the spelling, it would be FOREIGN. We do not have IEGN. IEGN is wrong. It would be FOREIGN. Right, next is friend. Very simple spelling which is often confused by a lot of people. It's as simple as FRIEND, and some people misinterpret it to FIEND. sorry, Friend. It's not EI, it's IE, friend. So I think this spelling is fairly simple and this is the correct spelling. Alright, next we have fulfill. Now fulfill also it's confusing because there are two L's, so you don't know which one, where do we have a double L and where do we have a single L. The rule is very simple. You actually have a double L both the sides. It's full and fill. FU double L full and FI double L fill. So fulfill is FU double L FI double L. Alright, next we have gauge. So gauge basically means to determine or estimate the amount, level or volume of something, right? Like astronomers can gauge the star's intrinsic brightness. Now when I say gauge, the spelling is G-A-U-G-E. A-U-G-E. A comes before you. It's not G-U-A-G-E. So the spelling is wrong. The correct spelling is G-A-U-G-E. Alright, next is grateful. Grateful basically where you want to say that you're thankful to somebody, you know, you're indebted of somebody. So the spelling is G-R-A-T-E-F-U-L. That is, you need to understand the difference. It's not G-R-E-A-T-F-U-L. We are not trying to appreciate someone. I mean, the idea of telling someone is that we're thankful to you. So for that you use grateful. So it would be G-R-A-T-E-F-U-L. Right, next is guarantee. Guarantee also U is silent, so people simply write down G-A-R-A-N-T-E-E. This spelling is wrong. Guarantee basically means to assure something, right? So it would be G-U-A-R-A-N-T-E-E. We can have a look at the spelling again. G-U-A-R-A-N-T-E-E is correct. Okay, next is guidance. Guidance, again, maybe because of the way of pronouncing, some people have this problem of putting D-E-N-C-E. It's not D-E-N-C-E, it's G-U-I-D-A-N-C-E, guidance. Alright, next we have harass. For harass, you have H, the correct spelling is H-A-R-A-S-S. That's harass. It's as simple as that. You have a single R and not a double R. Alright, next you have height. Height, again the spelling would be H-E-I-G-H-T, not G-T-H, because H is silent, so some people either write down H-E-I-G-T or G-T-H. It's not G-T-H, it is G-H-T, H-E-I-G-H-T. Okay, next we have hierarchy. Hierarchy is the system, you know, like say suppose in the army it's like second lieutenant, captain, major. That's a hierarchy of promotion in army. So that's what a hierarchy is called. So here the spelling would be H-I-E-R-R-A-C-H-Y, H-I-E-R-R-A-C-H-Y and not H-E-I. Here we can misplace I and E. So I comes before E in hierarchy. So that's going to be H-I-E-R-A-R-C-H-Y. Okay, next is humorous. Humorous is something that makes you laugh and that's funny. So it would be humorous. As simple as that. Humor is H-U-M-O-R. You just put an O-U-S and that makes humorous. Next is hygiene. Hygiene would be H-Y-G-I-E-N-E, hygiene. Do not forget to put the extra E over here. So it is H-Y-G-I-E-N-E. That's hygiene. Okay, next is hypocrite. So hypocrite is somebody who has different set of beliefs for different sort of people or different type of situations. Like if he's in that situation, he would think differently for himself than he would think for somebody else who's in that situation. So that kind of a person is a hypocrite, and I really hate those kind of people. You know, they're really bad. So here when I say hypocrite, so the spelling would be H-Y-P-O-C-R-I-T-E. There's an E. Don't miss out on the E, with the spelling is wrong. So it would be H-Y-P-O-C-R-I-T-E. Alright, so that's it for today's session. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much.